Okay, so I am showing you this super cool 43-in-1 screwdriver set. Comes in this handy little container. So you got 43 pieces all in here. This is gonna be just great if you're working on your computer, cell phone, laptops, gaming consoles, tablets, toys, eyeglasses, whatever you have, smartwatches. This has all the little bits and pieces that you need to work on those things. So it just snaps open. And look at this, you got all your little parts, all your little bits that you'll need, all organized really nice. So it's all just ready to go. It comes with tweezers to get those little teeny screws out, and all these little lifters and pliers, all the little attachments that you might need. It even comes with like this mini brush, because electronics get so dirty, so you can brush everything aside. So all that comes with the little magnetic deal to hold the screws. And this is super nice too. It's like an anti-slip, so you're not gonna like lose it. It's got a nice grip on it. So comes with like the little tool for the cell phones, everything that you'll need. So this is a great set. Everybody needs one of these. Anybody that works on electronics or anything with those small little screws. So this is actually like the most common, has the Phillips bit. So everybody that buys these little toys, you're gonna need this to replace the batteries. So you can see it just comes right out. Super easy, it's got the roller on the back, so it's easy to manipulate, see that? So if you need to replace those AAA batteries, it's right there, it's easy to go. Goes right back in. It's a really long screw. Okay, so that's tight. It's ready to go. Put that back in. And folds back together. Really nice screwdriver set. Make a great gift.